This exercise is a hip circle in 4-point, and it's an exercise designed to strengthen the muscles around your hip, but also to do it in conjunction with keeping your abdominal area nice and stable. So the exercise setup is that you're on all fours with your hands directly below your shoulders and knees directly below your hips. I want your spine in the middle position, so your chest isn't down like this, and at the same time you're not up arched like so. So once you've found that nice middle position, we go into our hip circles, and we're going to do them in 2 different directions. The first is I want you to reach back with your leg without arching your back, so keeping this nice and stable, and then we circle around with the knee, importantly without hiking up our hip. So no arch of the back, and then keeping the pelvis stable, coming around and making the circles in that motion there. And then of course the opposite, we go to the side first, again not lifting the hip up. We go out to the side and then come back around and back into that position. And that is your hip circles in 4-point.